The first battle is one. I don't know whether I should go for the second one because I'm already tired. I start by prepping the ginger, garlic, onion, and scotch bonnet. So I haven't had the ginger. So I'll add the ginger. You don't need to remove the skin of the ginger. You just need to clean it thoroughly. That's what I did. The kids were actually surprised that I'm cooking without seasoning. Anyway, I've told them that I'll help them add turmeric to it. So I'm doing that. I have turmeric. What else can I add for them? Okay, they say they want barbecue. So I'm going to add barbecue seasoning. That's barbecue seasoning powder. I don't even know that I'm tired. What else can I add? Okay. Paprika, little bit of paprika there. Are you happy now that I'm seasoning it? Where's black pepper? Okay. Black pepper is here. That's black pepper. And that's it. I think I'm done. Is that okay now? Spray a little bit of oil on it. This food experiment. I don't even know what I'm making. I'm just playing around. Well, it's fun. I'm getting the smoky effect that I really want. It has started being smoky now. So I need to keep spraying. Let's check the top piece. I'm happy with the top piece, so I'm going to cut the top bit off. It's very hot. Almost there. Wow, that's nice. I've cut the top part off as well. So I'm going to do this one while I slice that. Add little bits of oil and half of the ginger, garlic, and onion to it. And this is it. Just need half of this. I need bigger chopping board. Inshallah, I'm going to get one soon. The one that I have before got broken. This cabbage is very sweet. I got it from Lidl. I've never tasted that cabbage this sweet before. I had little more oil, so it's time for me to add the vegetable. And I'll let it simmer while I can slice the turkey. I'm adding 2 chicken mango flavor and minced herb. Just put it like this. This is proper like this. I don't even know what's that. I just like smoked turkey is ready. The vegetable has been fried, so I'm adding the turkey to that while I prep the sauce. At this time, I'm going to off the heat before I prep the sauce. Let me do a little bit of cleaning before making the sauce. To be honest with you, I don't know what sauce to make, but I've got all this almost empty bottle. So let's see what we can get out of it. That's mayonnaise. This is barbecue sauce. And this is another barbecue bottle sauce. One is not coming out. This burger sauce. That's got a lot of this in it. And this is another mayonnaise. I don't think it has got any inside. I add water to the mayonnaise and shake it well. I'm doing the same with this one. So I managed to get mayonnaise water. Add it the same weight. The what's it called? The burger sauce. So I'm transferring the liquid to the barbecue. All the bottles are now completely empty. So I don't like to waste. I don't know why. I don't just like wasting. So while this goes inside the recipe, I come back to the sauce. So I'm going to be adding this Thai sweet chili sauce. They like it a lot, so I'm going to be adding that. There's no point using this one. That is enough. I'm going to be adding my garlic mayo as well. I'm going to be adding a lot of that. Then I'll now mix with and blend that. I want the sauce to be a little bit white, so I'm adding more garlic mayo to it. Is this yellow or orange? I'm mixing up my word now because I'm very tired. I have a long day. No wonder I feel hot and my head is foggy. It's because the door is closed. Anyway, the sauce has been added to the. My head is just bugging up. So I may not be able to explain what I'm doing. So just bear with me. After I finish mixing this, I will on the heat and put it on low heat to simmer for 10 minutes while I cover it. So this is done. Alhamdulillah. So I'll off the heat now. Transfer it into the bowl. Mashallah, the aroma and the smoke is so amazing. Let me taste it. Mashallah, not bad, although it's not my thing. I don't eat things like this, but I purposely make it for the kids. It's sorted out. Anyway, I need to set this aside while I continue prepping for the second batch. These are the tomato and the pepper. I just need to blend it.